JetPrint POD Store Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people assume starting a print-on-demand store is complicated, but JetPrint simplifies the process for entrepreneurs looking to sell custom products online. JetPrint is a POD platform that integrates with popular e-commerce stores like Shopify, allowing users to design and sell products without holding inventory. One standout feature is its product range, which includes apparel, mugs, phone cases, and home decor, all customizable with your designs. Most people get this wrong. They assume POD stores have high upfront costs or complicated logistics. The surprising truth is JetPrint handles printing, packaging, and shipping, so store owners can focus on design and marketing while minimizing risk. Another advantage is automation. Orders are synced automatically from your e-commerce store, and tracking details are provided to customers, reducing manual work. The platform also provides quality mock-ups and printing previews to ensure designs look professional. However, there are considerations. Profit margins can be lower compared to bulk manufacturing, and product quality may vary depending on the item. Marketing and customer service remain the responsibility of the store owner. In conclusion, JetPrint is a convenient solution for entrepreneurs looking to launch a POD store with minimal hassle. Its automation, variety of products, and integration capabilities make it a viable option for online businesses. Subscribe for more honest POD platform reviews before starting your custom product venture.